Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to pair Amazon Fire TV remote. First thing first, disconnect your Fire Stick from the power source. Then this will ensure a fresh start before pairing the remote. Now take out the batteries from your Fire Stick remote. If the batteries are old, replace them with fresh ones to avoid repeating the pairing process later. Now reconnect your Fire Stick to the power outlet and wait for it to fully power up and display the menu screen. Put the batteries back in your Fire Stick remote, and if it's a new remote, insert fresh batteries. Now press and hold the home button on your remote. Release it when the LED light starts blinking, indicating the remote is in pairing mode. Now wait for your Fire Stick to load the menu and test the remote to ensure it's working correctly. Just a tip, if the remote doesn't pair, repeat the steps or move closer to the Fire Stick during pairing. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.